Guess what, everybody? We're back in the kitchen, and I found Nicole with a whole lot of stuff on the counter. Sweetheart, what are you making this time?
Well, I'm making you a chocolate cake with half of the amount of sugar because I know you don't like sugar. And I'm 99.9% certain it's still going to taste good. So let's see how it goes.
Okay, time for the taste test. This looks beautiful, Nicole. Honest opinion, honest review. It's really, really good.
Oh, really?
Friends, if you want a good chocolate cake, follow Nicole's recipe. You did great, sweetheart. Congratulations.
Yay!